Welcome to a brand new episode 54 of PSLE Math series on ABCD. In this PSLE Math series, we'll be going through questions that PSLE students might find difficult to solve. In our previous episode, we went through question 1 of worksheet 27. Today, we'll be going through question 3. Just a side note, you'll be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this question in the description below. Now, let's get started. Biscuit and Chocolate participate in a loop marathon around a cotton candy tree. In the first part of the marathon, Biscuit was running at an average speed of 750 km per hour and Chocolate was running at an average speed of 500 km per hour. In the return journey, Biscuit was running at an average speed of 650 km per hour and Chocolate was running at an average speed of 600 km per hour. Given that Biscuit was leading by 65 km for every 10% of the first part of the marathon, find the difference in the time taken for each of them to complete the marathon. So similarly to the previous episode, the first thing we're supposed to do is to draw the diagram. Okay, this is 500. Okay, so basically, Biscuit runs at 750 km per hour and Chocolate runs at 500 km per hour. Then Biscuit at second part of the journey is 650, whereas Chocolate is 600. Okay. So the first thing we're supposed to do, right, similarly to the previous episode, we realize that every 10%, Biscuit will be 65 km faster. Therefore, in the first part of the journey, for every 10%, if we can calculate the total faster distance traveled, it will actually be extra distance equals to 10 units because it's 10%. 10% in 100%. Okay? Times 65. 1 unit actually equivalent to 65. And this will actually give us 650 kilometers, which is over here. Okay? Therefore, we are going to repeat the same steps like the previous question. We are going to find the difference in speed. This is referring to the first part of the journey before the cotton candy tree. Okay? 750 minus 500 give us 250 kilometers per hour. Okay, therefore the time taken for Biscuit to finish this part of the journey, right, will actually be equals to the distance required to catch up divided by the distance that they catch up every hour, and this will actually give us 2.6 hours. Therefore, we know that half of a loop marathon or one part of the journey is actually equals to 2.6 times 750. Okay, so this is how long the first one part of the marathon is. So then we are supposed to calculate the time. This is for Biscuit 1. Okay, first part of Biscuit, it will actually be equals to the distance divided by the time, and this actually gives us 2.6. And Biscuit for the second part of the journey, same distance because it's looped around the same place, divided by the new speed, and this gives us 3 hours. Therefore, the total time for B will actually be equals to 5.6 hours. Okay, repeating the same step for Chocolate, we'll actually be getting 500 3.9 hour times C/2 and divide by the second speed. This will actually give us 3.25 hours. Therefore, the time of Chocolate will actually be equal to 7.15 hours. This is the sum of this, and this is the sum of this. Okay. Therefore, the difference in time will actually be equal to 7.15 minus 5.6, and this gives us 1.55 hour. Okay, because it's a loop marathon, the distance from starting point to the tree is the same distance as from the tree to the ending point. Okay, because they go in this way. Like for example, from here to here and back here. Okay. The question that we just went through is question 3 of worksheet 27. There's 2 more questions available. This is question 2. The answer is 412.5 meters. And this is question 1. The solution is 192 km. If you require further assistance to solve question 1, feel free to refer to our previous episode for the guided solution. Then in the meantime, feel free to drop us an email if you've got any challenging questions. We also welcome feedbacks and comments. Our contact details are in the description below. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have learned this concept. And this is Miss J signing off. Bye bye!